Hey guys, I'm waking up. Time to start the day. I'm not gonna get dressed because I have a big date. Let's get started. Not what I want. Let's try it. I'm gonna refresh you guys on what happened so far. I went to the gas station, got air, my dad's tire. We're looking for a lawnmower, and we just happened to come across the tool tent. It's got a lot of neat little tools like this, sanding brush, gloves. It's looking nice. Just a look. Now this is a cool little doodad. I actually have one, I think, somewhere. It's just this weird and just a bunch of Allen wrenches in one. It's actually very neat. Got these things. Now these ones are expensive. I'm not sure what it is. It's a vertical thing, but does it extend? Yes, it does. It does extend. We'll do that. Breaker bars. Extensions for a tiny one. Bigger. Okay. Just follow. Low guy. These things are good. Torque wrench. I'm not sure what these are. I know they're a type of wrench, air wrench. Sanders. Angle grinders. Got all of them here. Now if I had a hammer like this, I could probably stop Thor's hammer. That'd be funny. Magnets, that's even better. Well, if you guys have any ideas, let me know. That'd be awesome. Charge things. I have quite a bit of tools. I'm just trying to figure crap out, to be honest. Tiny PVC cutter. Pliers. I need a new hat. I'm thinking that one. Look at this. Cowboy. Sunglasses. Look shitty. Flashlight plus bike handle flashlight holder. Weird. No, it's actually a gun. Okay. Now I'm just looking. Headlamp. I have a lot of hunting shit here. Solar rechargeable camping lantern. These things are awesome. Anyway, I better get going. When the sunlight gets out, the days are ticking. Decided to get a few slushies, so I got all 30. 32 ounce. Really sets your day, you know? And it's really hot like this. Tell me in the comments, how hot is it where you are right now? That'd be cool. The lid does not fit. I have the wrong lid on. And by the way, now this is acted. I just literally put on the wrong lid, not thinking, and that's the wrong lid. Yes, it does. Yes. I put on a little more coat. And that tops it off. So we're gonna grab a straw, and I'm gonna say goodbye. Okay, I'm back, and I went to Walmart. And I got this and some more fish food for my fish tanks. And not much. This will be going inside my truck, and next thing I know, you're all going to be saying it is an SUV. It is not, my people. It is actually a truck because it is 1996, and on the driver door it does say truck. But I have to fix the deck on this thing. See there? There's a hole here, right there. And the thing is, when I went in, it dipped, came up, and hit the sidewalk. So, we're going to bend it back. Now, this is, I'm going to do it the same way I did last time. And we're going to start it. And just drive it up the ramps. And from there, it's actually easy to bend back. One hand hurts. And this is hard. I've actually broke a knuckle doing that, so gotta start up, drive up the ramps. Ain't no time you want to get up there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, she is on the ramp, but not where I want, so I'm gonna actually move her back a little so I can actually work on the deck. And you're probably saying right now, what, you can't do that? You can work on it while it's on the mower? Well, it's my project, bitch. Get used to it. Triggered. But, yes, you are partially right. I cannot work on it, but it's not a thing. But, at the same time, I can. You just gotta know how to do it. I've already bent this deck back once after the mistake of hitting a rock hidden by tall grass. And all I have to do now is just bend it back again. And yes, it does hit. I've also looked like I have to tighten a bolt there. Where are those? I don't know if you guys can see them. Looks like this needs tighten that right there. Doesn't look like it's going to be much of an issue. Okay, now to bend the deck. See this hole here? All I'm gonna have to do is just bend and pull. So I'm gonna get that fixed and I'll be back. Okay, now we have something new here. The blade came off. And either I'm going to have to weld that way, oh, the blade will stay on. And this side, I'm probably going to have to weld, oh, the other side I'm going to probably have to weld a bolt in because that's fucked. Honestly, it sucks. And I'll show you the hole I hit. It's over here. At the edge of the neighbor's yard. The service, reading water service area thing, you're supposed to fill it in, but never did. This has to get filled in. They never did it, and it's not so fucking stupid. But yes, I got the rest of the area. I hit that. You can see where I jumped, and that's where the blades hit. It's fucking stupid. I can get fucking how it did it. It's fucking great. Hey! Oh, bless me. Everybody got my truck here. Just reaching in, taking a walk, making sure everything's okay. JVC. It's fucking awesome. Just fucking awesome. Fucking great. Either I'm going to have to look for a new lawnmower, which is probably going to be the case. I'm going to have to look for a rider. And that's probably about it. So, yep. See you guys there. Peace out. Okay, I'm coming to the door right now, and I'm overshotting it. Room's kind of a mess. I'm working on it. I was asked what kind of food do I use, and I go to Walmart and I get these pond pellets. They actually work really well, and I like it. I guess I wasn't sure about it. But watch, these guys just. Watch these guys. They love it. So, yep. That would be pond pellets. Wardley pond pellets. Less waste, cleaner water, vitamin C, immune support, and no artificial coloring. It's good for natural fish. They're organic, basically. But yeah. Next. And I guess so yeah, this day is going right into kind of like a spin drop, spin bait, spin wow. And it's turning awesome. I can't wait to finish this and do stuff. So subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell, yo.